Top 5 chocolate destinations. The world has been enamored by chocolate since around 1100 BC, when it was first cultivated by the Mesoamericans. Here are the top 5 travel destinations for chocoholics. There are no better places on earth to sample some of the best chocolate in the world. Number 5. Chocolicious at number 5 is San Francisco, California. The Bay Area is home to one of the oldest chocolate manufacturers in the United States, making it a destination for many chocolate lovers. Chocolate tours are a great way to take in San Francisco's best chocolate shops. You can also step back in history wandering through Ghirardelli Square, which was originally built as an expansion of the old Ghirardelli chocolate factory. Ghirardelli chocolate was founded during the California Gold Rush by Domenico Ghirardelli and has grown to become as much a part of San Francisco as the trolley car or the Golden Gate Bridge. Sherwin Berger was the first company in America to completely create their chocolate from bean to bar, and they offer free tours of their factory 6 times a day. Number 4. At number 4 is Oaxaca, Mexico. The ancient Mesoamericans were the world's first chocolatiers, and Mexico has continued to produce chocolate ever since. Today in Oaxaca, residents have embraced chocolate as a part of their culture, and visitors to the city can't walk down the street without being offered chocolate in some form, whether it is hot chocolate, chocolate pastry or chocolate candy. While there are major chocolate producers based here, a lot of Oaxaca's chocolate is made with old family recipes, the old-fashioned way, ground either by hand or with electric grinders and mixed by hand. You will see barrels of cocoa beans in almost every doorway of Oaxaca. You can also find vendors peddling their handmade chocolate treats at any of the markets in the city. Number 3. Delicious at spot 3 is Barcelona, Spain. The Spanish were the first Europeans to experience chocolate that was brought back from the New World, and Barcelona has been a center for chocolate lovers ever since. Among its chocolate-covered achievements, the city can boast that its first chocolate-making machine was built there in 1780. Today, Barcelona celebrates its rich chocolate heritage with a museum dedicated to chocolate, which features everything from chocolate sculptures to hot chocolate. Over the years, Barcelona has produced some of the finest chocolatiers in the world, such as Anthony Amatller and Simon Call. Their shops are still producing fine chocolates more than 150 years after they first opened their doors. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is Zurich, Switzerland. Switzerland consumes more chocolate per person than any other country, and with world-renowned companies like Kaye, Nestle, Toblerone, Lindt, Teuscher and Sprüngli calling it home, it's no wonder. Zurich is the heart of chocolate production in the country, and Lindt, Teuscher and Sprüngli all have factories and stores in the city. For a truly unique experience, the Swiss travel system, along with Kaye Nestle, offers an excursion on the Swiss chocolate train. The train departs from Montreux and makes a stop in Gruyère, where Gruyère cheese is made, before finally arriving in Brock, where guests get a tour of the Kaye Nestle factory. Teuscher, Lindt and Sprüngli can be found just about everywhere, as can local favorite Frey. However, in Lindt's case, visiting their factory store can save 10 to 20%, and you can also buy half-price chocolates that were rejected because of improper packaging or other flaw. Number 1. Hitting a choco high at number 1 is Brussels, Belgium. The entire country of Belgium is a chocoholic's paradise, boasting 12 chocolate factories, 16 chocolate museums, and more than 2,100 chocolate shops. Brussels, however, stands above the rest. The city is home to 2 of the biggest chocolate companies in the world, Godiva and Leonidas, as well as many smaller chocolate boutiques. While all kinds of chocolate treats can be found in Brussels, pralines are king. In fact, they were first created there by Jean Nouhaus in 1912. If you visit Brussels, make sure you go to the Chocolate Museum, where you can learn how chocolate is made.